Hi, my name is Carla Brownell. I'd like to show you how I have aggregated hurricane data from the U.S. Department of Commerce's National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, from 1965 and 2015 in the continental U.S. And I have made assessments of the name's gender given to a hurricane, the cost of damages, the first state the hurricane made landfall, and the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. The Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale is as follows. A Category 1 hurricane is documented to have wind speeds of 74 to 95 miles per hour. Category 2 hurricanes have wind speeds of 96 to 110 miles per hour. Category 3, 111 to 129 miles per hour. Category 4, 130 to 156 miles per hour. And finally, Category 5 hurricanes reach winds of 157 miles per hour or higher. It's worth noting that according to the NOAA, the United States began using female names for storms starting in 1953, and by 1978, both male and female names were used to identify northern Pacific storms. This standard was then adopted in 1979 for storms in the Atlantic Basin. The NOAA does not name tropical storms that then become hurricanes. Instead, the World Meteorological Organization uses a strict procedure for doing so. Atlantic hurricane names are picked from a list that is on a 6-year rotation. Tropical storms names alternate from male to female as they form. Whether the tropical storms turn into hurricanes and the strength is completely random and depends on the meteorological conditions at the time. So in this data set, I wanted to explore if there is any correlation of the gender name of the hurricane to the amount of damage caused, the location it hit landfall, or the month of the year. Overlapping gender and name by cost, there seems to be a disproportionate amount of female-named hurricanes that caused more damage in US dollars than the male-named hurricanes. Is it possible that the American public views female names as less threatening than male names? I also found that the cost of destruction has been higher within the last 25 years than between 1965 and 1985. So as you can see, in this form, there really isn't a lot of destruction, but in the last 25 years, there has been a lot of destruction as far as cost in US dollars goes. So also, based on the data, I did not find any correlation with gender names of hurricanes and the locations, or the month they struck landfall in the US. But it's interesting to filter between male and female names, as I'll do so now. So female is orange, and the male is in blue. And as you can see, they're really spread out throughout the United States and spread out between months. Also, this shows, if I filter it back to all, that only female hurricanes hit landfall because between 1965 and 1979, only female names were assigned to hurricanes as previously noted. If you're interested in a complete list of upcoming and retired storm names, visit the National Weather Service website. Thank you.